Thousands of people look every day in Google, what happens when I access my Akashic Records? I offer you the possibility to find out. I'm going to teach a class on how to connect with your own Akashic Records. It's called a Level 1 class. In this class, you will learn step by step the method to really tap into this field of information that we call the Akashic Records. The records can be partners in your life, can help you with anything you want. Once you have the connection, once you know how to ask them questions, how to establish a deep connection, thing that you will learn in one weekend. You can use the Akashic Records to learn about everything you want and to improve your life. You can ask them what are the limiting beliefs that are not allowing you to live the life that you want, how to let them go, how to let go of patterns of thought or behavior, what happened in your past lives, what is the future potential of your soul, how to resolve issues in relationships, how you can manifest things that you want. You can ask them for an action plan, for healing, and for concrete questions about any area of your life or anyone related to you. This is an important step, I understand. And a lot of people ask me, but will I be able to do this? It seems that it's reserved for gifted people and it should be very difficult, but it's not. The process is very simple. You will learn how, through a prayer, the sacred method prayer, through a combination of words, you will have the access, you will have the vibrational key to tap into this field of information where everything is recorded. It contains the history of the world and everyone that have ever lived. I invite you to register. You have more information below, and I hope I'll see you there.